So despite of having so much of storage of thorium and a well-structured three-stage program, we are now more focusing on other kind of energy sources like solar, wind, etc. Why is it so?
Sir, it's not good to keep all the eggs in one basket, especially when we have all these things. Like India, we have a good potential for solar energy and potential for wind energy also. So we should look into other.
Any specific threat related to nuclear energy?
Yes, sir. The health hazards which are related to the nuclear waste that is generated.
Right. My last question to you is that, as per you, what is the likelihood of an India-China war kind of scenario coming up in next 2-3 years? Your opinion on it?
Sir, China is playing a different kind of war. There would not be a full-fledged war, I think. So they are playing a shadow war. So sir,
what is that?
So they would create a war-like situation to the level that it do not escalate to a full-fledged war, and then they would retreat back.
So what kind of strategic advantage they have in this kind of situation?
Sir, one is that they are economically very vibrant, and sir, geographically also they are located well.
Fine. Thank you, Shreya. Sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Shreya. Your interview is over. You may go now.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sit down, Shreya.
Sir.
When is your interview?
Sir, 28th March.
28th March. Okay. Which attempt is this?
Sir, first attempt.
Very first attempt.
Sir, for the interview.
No, all together.
That's a third attempt.
Third attempt. And first mains and first interview.
Yes, sir.
How was your experience today?
Sir, it was nice. I think I could express my feelings.
You are a good candidate, Shreya.
Yes,
The
sir.
only thing which we have observed that suddenly, abruptly you end your conversation on any issue.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the moment you start generating interest in us,
Yes,
you
sir.
just cut it short. So
Yes,
try
sir.
to be more engaging in your attitude.
Okay.
Meaning thereby that if you say any question, what are the issues involved and all that, try to be more specific and
Okay.
more points can be given on certain
Yes, sir.
issues.